Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn, and I am your communications coach. Let's do some exercises today. This will help us to understand if we are improving in our English speaking or not. We will understand how to make sentences, how to make correct sentences, what is the role of grammar, how to learn grammar, right? So these things will help you to understand the sentence structure, sentence construction, and how you can speak those sentences while having a conversation. So that is why practice sessions are very important, and that is why once a week I try to take up this practice session so that you can start getting engaged in doing these activities or exercises which will help you to improve your English speaking and confidence in making sentences. Okay, this will help you to understand grammar, this will help you to understand where to use what and how to make correct sentences. So today in this session, I'm going to come up with 10 fill in the blanks exercises, and you have to choose the right answer and you have to choose a correct word which will go with the sentence or to complete the sentence. Okay, you'll get 30 seconds to think and you have to write the answer. And don't forget to check your scores as well. So let's begin. First one is, she dashed to the office every day. Your options are go, goes, going. Your 30 seconds starts now. And the answer is, she goes to the office every day. Goes. Next, I dash my breakfast before leaving home. Your options are eat, eats, eating. 30 seconds. And the answer is, I eat my breakfast before leaving home. Eat. Right? Next, they dash watching a movie right now. Your options are is, are, am. 30 seconds. And the correct answer is, they are watching a movie right now. Are. Next, we dashed this project yesterday. And your options are finish, finished, finishing. 30 seconds. And the answer is, we finished this project yesterday. Finished with an ed, right? Which is a past, like we have already finished. We finished this activity of this project yesterday. Next, he dashed in Pune for 5 years. Your options are has lived, had lived, lived. 30 seconds. And the answer is, he has lived in Pune for 5 years. Next, if it is dash tomorrow, we will stay at home. Your options are rain, rains, rained. 30 seconds. And the answer is, if it rains tomorrow, we'll stay at home. If it rains tomorrow, will stay at home. Okay, future. Next, I dash English every evening these days. Options: practice, am practicing, or practiced. 30 seconds. The correct answer is I am practicing English every evening these days. I am practicing English every evening these days. So these days it has been continuously, I've been practicing, right? So it is present continuous tense. Next, she is the dash student in the class. Options: intelligent, most intelligent, or more intelligent. Intelligent, more intelligent, or most intelligent. 30 seconds. And the answer is, she is the most intelligent in the class. Next, there dash many people at the meeting yesterday. And the options are was, where, is. 30 seconds. And the answer is, there were many people at the meeting yesterday. So it's talking about yesterday, a day before, right? So there were many people at the meeting yesterday. Okay, the last one is, you dash wear a helmet while riding a bike. The options are should, would, could. 30 seconds. The correct answer is, you should wear a helmet while riding a bike. Right? So that's it, guys. Was that very difficult? No, guys, it's very easy and it's very entertaining also. Once you start getting into the habit or practice of doing exercises or activities of these kinds, it is actually going to interest you. You will be glued to it. You will look forward to more and more exercises and more things you can do. Right? We'll start enjoying it. So once a week, fix the time, or probably every day for 5 minutes, take up one exercise, 10 sentences, or some other exercises, whatever, fill in the blanks, or correct the word or correct the sentence, or come up with a sentence with this word. So these kind of exercises you can take up every single day for 5 minutes and start doing it. It is very interesting, guys. You will definitely be able to do it, and in this way, in a very playful way, in a very entertaining way, you will be able to learn the grammar rules as well. So these are what you are just trying to correct the sentences, fill in the right words to make correct sentence, right, which you are going to use in your conversations. These are very simple basic sentences which are used. The tense, which tense will be used here, right? When you're describing something of the past, what tense you're going to use? What should be the sentence structure? What should be the correct sentence, right? So in this way you will learn that. So start working on these kind of exercises and activities. So take tenses, parts of speech and article. These are the three things you should focus on just to make sure that you are able to make a right sentence by knowing these things. So start taking up these things, take one thing at a time or one module at a time and start working on it. You will see it will help you to improve your English speaking skills or improve your English at the end of the day. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. And if you like my channel, do subscribe it, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section. And do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost and access to all the amazing content on this channel. So stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye-bye. Take care.